I don't know if it's obvious enough, but I guess it's pretty easy to guess who my favorite superhero is. It's Superman. Well, actually, kung Batman din ang gines ninyo, mali rin kayo. Actually, ang favorite ko is Batgirl. The only problem is, dito sa Philippines especially, limited ang options natin pagdating sa merch na Batgirl. Wala kasing Batgirl talaga, bihira lang. And the few shirts or so that I've seen sa department stores or anything like that, usually come in women's sizes. And when you talk about women's sizes in the Philippines, they usually go do sa smaller na side. So, me being a 5'7" girl here in the Philippines, medyo mahirap maghanap ng kasya sa akin. So, yun nga, limited yung options. But, again, I can make do naman with Batman lang. Batman's okay din with me, pero ang favorite ko talaga is Batgirl, specifically yung Barbara Gordon na iteration niya. I love yung storyline niya sa The Killing Joke and how basically she turned something negative into positive. Kasi in that story, kung sorry na lang, spoiler alert, no? Pero basically, na-paralyze siya because of the Joker, and instead of nagmukmuk lang siya for the rest of her life, what she actually did was help people using her computers. So basically, what she did was become yung conduit ng iba yung mga superheroes. Tumulong siya gamit yung technology. And that is, in a way, what I'm doing here. And not just here, of course, dun sa Team Lyqa na channel where I make educational, motivational videos. So, parang yun yung labas niya sa akin. Parang siya yung hero to be ko. And, yun, I really love her. Pero anything Batman din, of course, I collect. And one of my favorite collections when it comes to toys, Batgirl, yun yung occupy isang buong block dito sa display case ko. So, I really love yung idea and what Batman and Batgirl stood for. Now, ang gagawin ko ngayon is I'm going to unbox something na kung like me, you like sneakers, and you like Batman, you probably already know na meron ganito, and probably sa mga katulad ko nag-abang. That is this. Yan, di ba? Shoebox na shoebox pa lang. This is actually a special pair of shoes. It helps commemorate yung 80 years ng Batman. So, ang tagal na ng history niya. Dito sa harap ng box, we have, of course, yung logo ni Batman. It says here, 80 years. And, of course, yung DC na logo right here. This is actually a collaboration between Batman and Converse, or yung tinatawag natin sa Pilipinas na Chuck Taylors. Kasi yun talaga yung nakilala natin na natawag dito. And alam niyo, pinaghalo-halo yung mga things that I love. Actually, I have a very special affinity for Chuck Taylor or Converse na highs, na sneakers, because my late lolo, whom I love very much, yun lang yung shoes na gusto niya. As in, our entire lives, nakachinela siya for most of his life, and meron na siyang isang pair lagi ng black na Converse na high cut na nakatabi for really special occasions. So when I finished college, like, I knew na one of the very first things na pag-iipunan kong bilhin was that. Gusto ko ng sarili kong high na black na Converse na sneakers, and dyan pa rin yung first pair ko ever. So eto, Converse siya, Batman pa, black pa. So bubuksan na natin. So dito, simple lang again, we have your tissue paper here. And then here's the shoe. It came with yung black laces. Tapos meron din extra na laces na yellow. Another special touch here is, if you can see, black yung laces pero yellow yung tips. Yan. Yan, yellow yung tips niya. Tapos yung extra pair naman ng laces, black naman yung tips. Okay? Ang design niya is yung skyline ng Gotham City. Tapos dito naman sa other side niya ay yung logo ni Batman, 'di ba, doon sa light pag tinatawag siya. And it goes the same for the other shoe. It's actually a collab with Chinatown. So collab upon collab din siya. Dito sa likod meron ka ng logo ng Chuck Taylor na star. there sa likod. Usually, puti yan sa mga Converse na sneakers. Dito, it's black and with a faint yellow. But the reason why my faint yellow dyan is actually really, really cool. I'll see if I can show you that here today. And, yan, itapat muna natin siya sa ilaw a little bit. Because, kung hindi nyo pa nalalaman, actually, ang very special din dito is that it actually glows in the dark. Now, there's a different pair. May ibang style din siya na Batman-inspired din. Pero yun naman, in 3D siya. So, sabi doon, if you wear 3D glasses and you look at it, the artwork will pop out. By the way, if you hear a barking dog, pakisabihan yung nanay. Kung chubby yung anak mo, hindi makontrol. Si Ashley kasi is very, very loud. So, naririnig niyo yung matinis na tahol ng poodle. Si Ashley yun. Yeah, yun yung mga struggles ko while filming dito sa bahay. I really can't help it kasi ano na gagawin ko, di ba? Wala akong magagawa. So, I'm really sorry for that. Anyway, so ito yung first na design. The other one is actually white, medyo off-white, grayish. Ang trim niya or ang mga artwork niya, naka-outline siya na pink at saka purple. Flash ko na lang din yung photo here, no? It's really actually good din. Nakita ko on hand. Pero hindi ko binili kasi nahihilo ko dun sa graphics. So, yun yung dalawang designs. Pero ito, I think, is something that I prefer. Kasi dahil white siya, mas madali siya suot with everything and anything. And, of course, yung surprise sa kanya, which I will show you, attempt to show you, is that parts of it actually glow in the dark. So, yung logo, this right here, they glow in the dark. And hopefully, makikita natin siya. Papatayin ko yung ilaw. Kita ba? There. So, kita naman kahit medyo faint, no? Yeah, nag-glow in the dark siya. And if you want to see more of that, I'll just roll a quick B-roll of the shoes, okay? See, so it's actually pretty cool. Marami pong mga details na hindi ko masyadong na-mention. Especially ito, yung nasa loob. It says here, Chinatown Market. There. And then sa ilalim, merong mga panels ng Batman comics mixed in. There. So it's really good that you have something like this. Alam nyo, Chuck Taylors, they're notorious for lasting basically almost a lifetime. So I'm looking forward to spending the rest of my life with this pair of kicks. I haven't worn them yet, but a little bit of a warning lang. Medyo manipis yung toe area niya. So if you are a guy and medyo malapad yung paa ninyo, you may want to go a size up. Pero sa akin kasi, since manipis yung paa ko, it's actually very comfortable sa akin na ganito siya. Ano to size 7.5 sa men's. So, iba kasi yung sizing sa Converse, which I just found out after this. Usually kasi, for my Nike shoes, like for example, ito yung bloodline ko. This is size 8 USA. Ang conversion niya is size 9.5 siya sa women's. Pero ang Converse, 7.5 siya sa men. Tapos, 9.5 siya sa women's. So, nung kinuha yung 8, maluwang. Tapos yung buti na lang nakita ni Zandy, may isang box pa doon na meron ng 7.5. Kasi yung 8 medyo maluwang na siya sa akin. So ito, again, it's really meant for me. So, nabili ko siya. So, I'm really happy na I got it. And that's it muna for now. Thank you guys for watching. And if you want more of this type of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. And as we always say, if you can't buy stuff like this right now, don't worry, just focus on your needs first before you go ahead and buy your wants. You'll get there. And always dream high, work hard, and start now. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye for now.